Some cities you visit, places you simply pass through, leaving little more than footprints behind. But Krakow, Poland, is different. It's not just a place to see, but a city you feel, a city that resonates within your soul. Its medieval streets, worn smooth by centuries of footsteps, whisper tales of kings and commoners, of triumphs and tragedies. Its vibrant culture, a tapestry woven with threads of art, music, and tradition, pulsates with life at every turn. And its welcoming spirit, embodied by the warm smiles of its people, embraces you like a long-lost friend. All of this makes it perfect for solo travelers seeking not just a destination, but an experience. Lose yourself in winding alleys, where every corner reveals a new perspective, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Discover hidden courtyards, tranquil oases tucked away from the bustling crowds, offering moments of quiet reflection. Or relax in a cozy cafe, sip on rich coffee, savor local pastries, and watch the world go by. Krakow invites you to explore at your own pace, to wander without a map, and to let the city guide your journey. The city's compact size makes it incredibly walkable and easy to navigate. This means you're never far from a new adventure, a historical site, or a charming local shop. Or a quiet moment by the Vistula River, where you can watch the boats drift by and lose yourself in the gentle rhythm of the water. Whether you seek solitude, a chance to reconnect with yourself in a peaceful setting, or connection, a desire to meet new people and share experiences, Krakow offers both, a balance between personal reflection and vibrant social interaction. Peaceful benches where you can sit and observe the city's heartbeat. Lively squares filled with music, laughter, and the aroma of delicious food. And endless opportunities to meet people, whether it's over a shared meal, a guided tour, or a chance encounter in a local pub. Its resilience and optimism, a spirit forged in the face of adversity, shines through in every corner of the city. Built on a rich past, a history that stretches back centuries, Krakow stands as a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. All of this creates a unique energy you'll sense everywhere, a feeling of hope, inspiration, and endless possibility. Krakow isn't just a destination, it's more than just a place on a map. It's an invitation to become part of its ongoing story, to leave your own mark on its vibrant tapestry. For anyone traveling alone, seeking adventure and self-discovery, it's a place to learn, grow, and create unforgettable memories. A journey that will stay with you long after you've left its charming streets. Begin your exploration of Krakow in Rynek Glony. This is Krakow's main market square, a place celebrated as one of Europe's largest and arguably most beautiful public spaces. Its vibrant atmosphere and stunning architecture make it a must-see. Be sure to marvel at the Renaissance Cloth Hall, or Sukiennice as it's known locally. Here you can browse local crafts and souvenirs, finding unique treasures to remember your trip. Don't forget to listen for the hourly trumpet call, known as the Hejnal Mariaki, from the tower of St. Mary's Basilica. This tradition is a poignant reminder of Krakow's rich history. Step inside the basilica to fully appreciate its breathtaking Gothic interior, a testament to centuries of artistry and devotion. For an unforgettable experience, climb the tower for panoramic city views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Next, take a leisurely walk to Wawel Hill, the historic heart of Poland and home to the royal castle and cathedral. This is where Polish kings once ruled, shaping the nation's destiny, and where captivating legends like the tale of the Wawel dragon were born. Explore the castle's opulent rooms, each filled with stories of power, intrigue, and artistry. Discover the solemn royal tombs within the cathedral, and venture into the depths of the mythical dragon's den, where the legendary beast was said to have dwelled. Just a short distance south, you'll discover Kazimierz, the city's historic Jewish quarter, a vibrant and culturally rich area, featuring a captivating mix of synagogues and insightful museums. You'll also find striking street art and lively cafes that spill onto the sidewalks. As you wander its narrow cobblestone lanes, feel the echoes of history and the vibrant pulse of renewal that defines this unique district. A visit to the Old Synagogue is highly recommended, as is a trip to the Galicia Jewish Museum, which provides deeper historical context and understanding. Take some time to simply enjoy a coffee in one of the bustling squares and fully soak in the neighborhood's creative and undeniably bohemian spirit. In Krakow, every landmark tells a story, whispering tales of the past into the present, and yours is just beginning to unfold. To truly know Krakow, you have to taste it, smell it, and immerse yourself in its vibrant atmosphere. It's a city that engages all your senses. Start with the iconic pierogi dumplings, then move on to a bowl of tangy Zurek soup, a true Polish staple. And don't forget an obwarzenek bread from a street cart. Simple, delicious, and uniquely Polish. These twisted rings of bread are a Krakow tradition. Dive into the depths of history and culture at the Rynek Underground Museum, or stand in awe before Da Vinci's Lady with an ermine at the Czartoryski Museum. A masterpiece awaits. Stroll through Planty Park, the lush green belt that gracefully encircles Old Town, or cross the Vistula River to the vibrant district of Podgorze to visit the poignant Schindler's Factory and the solemn Ghetto Heroes Square. Reflect on history. Krakow's calendar is always packed with exciting festivals, vibrant street parades, and captivating live music. Don't miss the soulful sounds of a klezmer performance in Kazimierz for an unforgettable evening. Let the music move you. Let yourself wander freely. The city rewards curiosity with hidden courtyards, charming cafes, and authentic moments that will stay with you long after you leave. Whether you're savoring the rich and diverse local flavors or discovering inspiring art in a quiet, tucked-away gallery, Krakow's unique soul is always close at hand, waiting to be discovered. Here, every day promises a new adventure, a new story, and a deeper connection to this captivating city. Krakow is safe, compact, and easy to explore on foot, perfect for solo travelers. Wear comfortable shoes for those cobblestone streets, and enjoy the freedom to wander at your own pace. For longer trips, use the efficient tram and bus system. Tickets are easy to buy and validate. The city feels relaxed and secure, but stay aware in busy areas and keep your belongings close. Want to meet people? Join a free walking tour or chat with fellow travelers in a hostel or cafe. Krakow's milk bars offer authentic, affordable meals and a chance to mingle with locals. Use apps like Jak2Jad for easy navigation. With a little curiosity and common sense, you'll feel right at home. Leaving Krakow, you'll take home more than photos, you'll carry a piece of its spirit. The city's blend of history, resilience, and creativity weaves into your own story. For solo travelers, Krakow is proof you can find connection and independence in equal measure. Walk its ancient streets, taste its food, and let its stories inspire you. The city's warmth and beauty linger long after you leave, sparking curiosity for future adventures. Quiet moments in a courtyard or spontaneous chats with locals become the highlights of your journey. Krakow is waiting to welcome you. Pack your bags and write your own chapter in this remarkable city. Your unforgettable solo adventure starts here.